안녕하세요 from Korea. Welcome to Next Matchup. Today we're cooking this. It's Baesuk. Basically, it's a kind of pear soup. Very healthy and perfect for winter. Let's start. I don't know how I'm gonna eat this, alright? Let's start by just taking some things out of here. Okay, we've got ginger, cinnamon, we've got pear, jujube, this one, daechu. These are all very healthy things, so this is very healthy. Let's just get a big chunk of something. Yeah, that's good, but I did get a big bit of ginger. Next time I might just cut the ginger a bit finer. I think we do it like this. Oh. Ooh, I don't know if this is how you're supposed to eat it, but I'm gonna try. Oh yeah, that's good. It's actually quite sweet. Surprisingly, considering there's so much ginger in it, it's not that strong. It's still hot, right? Fresh out of the oven, not oven, fresh out of the steamer. Let's get a bit of that pear. Sorry, I'm breaking it. Oh. That's good. That's fantastic. For my first try, I'm very happy with this. I'm gonna finish that. I think it's about to start snowing outside. Enjoy, eat deliciously, eat well, and 안녕히 계세요. Thanks for watching. Oh yes.